The world of work is standing at a turning point. Not years from now, but today. Picture a morning where your personal AI has already checked your emails, scheduled your meetings, and even drafted a project proposal before you've had your first sip of coffee. This is not science fiction. This is the growing reality shaped by GPT-5, the latest leap in artificial intelligence that is reshaping how humans and machines work together. For decades, we thought of technology as a tool that needed constant instructions. But GPT-5 is something else. It doesn't just follow orders. It learns, adapts, and creates in ways that feel almost human. From analyzing data at speeds no human brain could match, to generating complex reports, to brainstorming creative ideas, GPT-5 is no longer just software. It is quickly becoming a silent partner in workplaces around the world. But here's where things get interesting. This is not just about doing tasks faster. GPT-5 is rewriting the very rules of work. Imagine companies that used to need teams of people for customer support now running 24/7 assistants powered by AI that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never complains. Imagine small startups suddenly competing with global corporations because they have access to the same level of intelligence and creativity. That is the power shift happening right now. And here's the twist that might keep you hooked. It's not only about replacing jobs. It's also about creating new ones that never existed before. Think about it. 10 years ago, there was no such job as an AI prompt engineer, or an AI ethics consultant, or even a creative strategist working alongside AI. GPT-5 is opening doors to entirely new industries, where humans and machines collaborate in ways that feel more like teamwork than replacement. Now pause for a moment and ask yourself, if machines can write code, draft contracts, design buildings, and even generate music, then what role do humans play? The answer is surprisingly hopeful. While GPT-5 can handle logic, data, and even creativity at scale, what it cannot replace is human judgment, empathy, and values. And this is where the workplace of the future is heading. Not humans versus machines, but humans working with machines, using AI as an amplifier of what we do best. Here's another point to keep you engaged. Think about education and skills. Traditional learning paths are already being disrupted. Why spend 4 years in a degree program when AI can guide you through personalized, skill-based learning in months? Companies are starting to value adaptability over degrees, problem-solving over memorization. GPT-5 is not only changing work, it's changing how we prepare for it. And then there's the global shift. Remote work, already boosted by the pandemic, is being transformed once again. With GPT-5, a freelancer in one corner of the world can compete with experts in Silicon Valley. Language barriers fade away with instant AI-powered translation. Cultural differences shrink as AI helps bridge communication. Work is no longer about where you are. It's about what value you bring. But let's not ignore the challenges. GPT-5 brings incredible opportunities, but also serious questions. Who controls this technology? How do we prevent misuse? What happens when decisions that affect millions are influenced by AI-generated insights? These are not just technical issues. They're ethical, social, and deeply human. And they remind us that while GPT-5 is powerful, it still needs human oversight, human values, and human responsibility. So what does the future of work look like? It looks like a world where AI handles the repetitive, the complex, and the overwhelming, leaving humans free to focus on vision, creativity, and leadership. It looks like organizations powered not just by money and labor, but by intelligence that flows between humans and machines seamlessly. And it looks like a workplace where adaptability is the greatest skill you can have. The question is, are you ready for it? Because whether you're a student, a professional, or a business leader, GPT-5 is not waiting for you to catch up. It is already here, shaping the next chapter of human work. And those who learn to use it, adapt with it, and grow alongside it will be the ones who thrive in this new era. If you found this vision of the future thought-provoking, then stay connected. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore this journey together. The future of work isn't just something happening to us. It's something we are creating right now with the help of GPT-5.